Greetings, dear viewers and subscribers. In continuation of learning EndNote, in this video, I want to show how to perform the following tasks in EndNote. 1. How to manually insert a reference in EndNote. 2. How to edit a citation in Word. 3. Adding prefix and suffix to a citation in Word. 4. Installing EndNote Styles for any scientific journal. 5. Troubleshooting when the citations in the Word file seem to be out of order. To manually insert a reference in EndNote, click Add a new reference to the selected group option. In the opened window, first select the type of reference from the drop-down menu. For example, I choose book. Next you have to manually type the necessary information of the book in the relevant boxes below. As an instance, I manually enter the information needed for the citation of Exploring Psychology in Modules, written by the Professors Myers and DeWall, 2021. I have previously prepared the needed information in the Word file and I just add them to the EndNote now. Year of publication should be written here. I copy the title of the book and enter it in this box. The name of the publisher should be inserted here. I also type manually the publication place of the book, which is New York. And if any additional information is needed, would type them manually in the next boxes. Now I save and close the window. Suppose you have quoted a sentence from this book. To cite the reference, first highlight the reference of the book in EndNote, then go to the Word and from the EndNote 20 menu, select the Insert Citation menu, and click Insert Selected Citation. You can see that both in-text and out-text references are added immediately. To edit any citation in Word, you have to place mouse cursor on the in-text reference, and then right-click and point the mouse cursor to the Edit Citation option. Now you can choose one of the options appear. For example, you can alter the citation to another format. You can also click the More option for exerting more changes to the citation. In the opened window, you can delete the reference using the drop-down menu. Or add a prefix or suffix to the selected in-text citation using the boxes below. Now I'll add the prefix and suffix and then hit OK. For example, we can write, Seeley, 2022 for more detailed review and meta-analysis regarding the relationship between learning and pedagogical interventions. If you are writing the manuscript to send it to a certain journal, it is recommended to download and install the EndNote style of that particular journal so that you can use its specific style when inserting and editing references. For example, I want to download and install EndNote style for the American Journal of Psychiatry. First, I type the title of the journal in Google, and also the keywords EndNote style, and then I click Search. I can download the desired EndNote style here. Once downloading is complete, from the Download section, I double-click on EndNote Style so that it is automatically inserted to the EndNote. In the EndNote Style window, I select the Save option from the File menu to save the newly downloaded EndNote style. Now, in Word, I open the Style drop-down menu and click Select Another Style option. I find and select the style I want, which is now added to the list. You can see that with this, both the in-text and the out-text references change immediately according to the EndNote style of that particular journal. For troubleshooting when the in-text references seem to be out of order, simply click Update Citations and Bibliography. It should be noted that the spoken presentation for this tutorial is prepared using the AI text-to-speech technology. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you find the content useful, please like and subscribe to be notified when new videos are released.